Sa unang tingin agad na humaling sa nagniningning mong mga mata. Ika'y isang bituin na nagmula sa langit. Hindi ko mawari ang tagal ay mong tinatangi. Sadya namang nakakapighani, di may paliwanag ang nararamdaman. Namumukat kadang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para luman ika'y akin ang tatalin sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, sasayaw kita hanggang sa walang hanggan. Mga gunita na laging naisip, sumisilip ang itinagdanang mahiwagaan. Liwanag na dulot mo nagbigay sinag sa madilim kong mundo. Ibang-iba ako kapag ikaw na ang kapili. Sumisibing ang buwan at mga bituin na para ba sumasang-ayon sa atin ang kalawakan. Namumukat kadang aking ligaya sa tuwing ika'y papalapit na. Hawakan mo ang aking kamay, o para luman ika'y aking nang dadalhin sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, sasayaw kita hanggang sa walang sa di mo inasahang paraiso. Palagi kitang awitan ng kundi man di magsasawa. Di ka pababayaan, sasayaw kita. Mamahalin kita hanggang sa walang hanggan.
Ngayon, narito na ang sipag at masasakin sa ikaw sa iyo sa mahalagang milestone na ito. Sa iyong bagong tungkulin, tiyak na marami kang magagawang pagbabago at positibong epekto sa buhay ng mga mag-aaral, guro at buong komunidad ng paaralan. Tulad ko, marami rin silang matututunan mula sa iyo, lalo na ang mga guro na gagabayan mo. Muli, congratulations, Ma'am Elizabeth Abaya, naway magtagumpay ka pa sa iyong bagong paglalakbay at makamit ang marami pang tagumpay.
Hi everyone! Hello my GTPS teachers! Belated Happy Teachers Day sa inyong lahat. And Madam Abaya, congrats! Eto na inaantay mo, principal ka na. Deserve mo yan. Yung blowout andito lang ako. Alam mo kung saan ako puntahan. Bye! See you soon everyone!
Hello, Maring Beth, and hello sa aking mga co-teachers sa Gregorio del Pilar Elementary School. I'm so happy and proud of you, Elizabeth Aquino Abaya. Ito na siya. This is it. This is really is it. Sabi nga ng ating live verse, when the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Ang daming pinagdaanan, ang daming iyak, pero ito pa rin yun. Alam ni Jennifer yung kwento nating Marga and Cassie, at kung babalikan ang mga kwentong ito together with you all dyan sa Del Pilar, babalikan ko yan. Kasi hinubog tayo kung saan tayo dadalhin. I know you will become a great principal because you are a great person. You are a great leader. And nawa, sa kung anumang lugar, kung saan ka dadalhin, mag-excel ka palagi kagaya ng ginagawa mo sa Del Pilar. I love you and thank you kasi part ka ng journey kung nasaan man tayo. Ingat and God bless.
A blessed day sa iyo, Miss Elizabeth Abaya, sa lahat ng mga manonood ng video na to at lahat ng mga kasamahan mo. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako'y labis na natutuwa na ikaw ay isa na ngayong punong guro, school head o principal. Nawa ay iba yung wisdom ang ibigay sa iyo ng Panginoon, iba yung kalakasan dahil panibagong challenges, panibagong journey sa buhay mo ang pagiging isang leader, school head at principal ng isang paaralan. Nawa ay mai-apply mo ang lahat ng mga natutunan mo sa mga naging model mong principals, maging ng mga supervisors at kapwa mo guro, kapwa mo master teachers. This is it. Ikaw ay isa ng school head at ganun nga, nawa ay lalo pang maging masidhi ang iyong paglilingkod, no? At ikaw ay mag-iwan ng magandang halimbawa, no, sa lahat ng mga ma-encounter mong tao bilang isang principal, lalo tigit sa mga batang i-handle ng iyong eskwelahan, no, sa mga guro na iyong tuturuan din at i-mentor, at mga magulang na bibigyan ng payo kapag nangangailangan. God bless you always, Ma'am Elizabeth Abaya. This is it. Ikaw ay isa ng punong guro na alam kong pinangarap mo rin naman sa iyong buhay. God bless you and congratulations.
Hello, good morning, Gregorio del Pilar Elementary School, and of course to Ma'am Elizabeth M. Abaya. My congratulations for you have successfully surpassed the challenges, and of course now you will be receiving the greatest gift from above, your promotion as a new principal of your school. And you know, being a principal is not an easy task, but with God's providence, with God's provision, everything will be okay. I have my acronym for you to remember my message. Of course, syempre, Elizabeth. Subukan natin. Okay. ito ay mga tawag dito, mga reminder for you kapag ikaw ay principal na, and at the same time you manage people, because being a principal is not about just leading the school, but it's more of leading your people in the school. Okay, so letter E, you need to be empathetic. You always show understanding to your people. Remember, in order for you to become an effective leader, you need to understand others more than you understand yourself. And so, you need to be empathetic. Letter L, listener. Importante, before you give comments, before you share what is in your heart, it is important for you to listen first. Okay? Letter I, inspiring. At the end of the day, you go back to your family, but in the workplace, wala kang ibang gugustuhin kundi ma-inspire dapat ang iyong mga teachers, both teaching and non-teaching. You know that. You know the challenges, but when you are inspiring, please understand that you need to be inspired first. Letter Z, you need to be zealous. Always remember your passion. Always remember your why. Why did you aspire to become a principal? And why are you there as a principal? You need to be zealous. Your passion about education, and your commitment to making a positive impact in your school. That matters most. That's being zealous. And of course, being a new principal is not easy. So you need to be adaptable. Try to be flexible, try to be open, without compromising, of course, your duties and responsibilities as a principal. Kailangan mo rin maging flexible. Kailangan mong balansehin. Okay, so that's letter B, balance. There must be balance, you know that. So you know how to manage yung responsibility mo and your priority mo effectively, okay, for the benefit of all. Hindi po pwedeng ikaw ang magbe-benefit, o hindi rin po pwedeng ang mga teachers lang or non-teaching lang ang magbe-benefit. It must be both sides, you know that. Okay, and of course, importante ito, letter E din, engaging. As a principal, you should know how to build a strong relationship. Okay, importante yan, ma'am. So, in G. Del Pilar, I know that there is a good school culture. Sana mag-multiply din yan. Okay? At sa lahat ng mga eskwelahan mong pupuntahan, I wish and I pray that you will build a strong relationship among your colleagues. And letter T, trustworthy. Trustworthy. Alam mo yan, ma'am. So, as a principal, may mga bagay na there's no need for me to elaborate, but there's trustworthy. You gain the confidence and the respect of your people by being a trustworthy. Okay? So, within 72 hours, may mga i-explain ka kung hindi mo mag-gain itong character na ito, being trustworthy. And letter H, hardworking. I know how hardworking you are, but I believe kapag ikaw principal na, you need to multiply yung hardworking na meron ka. Okay? So you always put in effort needed to help your school as a community. A community who performs towards success. Ayan, Elizabeth. Elizabeth, empathetic, listener, inspiring, zealous, adaptable, balanced, engaging, trustworthy, and hardworking. Sana sa pangalan mong Elizabeth na ito ay magiging successful ka as a school principal. My prayers to you, Ma'am Beth, ang Ma'am Beth ng Del Pilar ay nandyan lang naman sa SDO Manila. Congratulations! I'm so happy for you. At hindi nagtagumpay ang dasal ng mangkukulam. Bye-bye!
Hello, congratulations, my dearest Beth. Finally, the long wait is over and it's worth the wait Ba? Today is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. I am very happy and proud that Elizabeth Abaya is now joining the force of principals in leading and serving the schools in Manila. I'm very excited to work with you this time on the same level. I have seen how you grow professionally. I have witnessed your being hardworking and patient in everything you do, in all the reports you've done when I was still there at Del Pilar. And I know that all those things, no, your willingness to learn, your positive attitude, for not always saying no in every task that was given to you, all those things, no, lead you to where you are now, and will definitely place you to where will you be in the future. But everybody knows, no, where you will be assigned, and I strongly believe that your new school assignment will definitely be in good hands with you. So congratulations and see you around.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to express my profound gratitude to the principal, Ma'am Rizalina Castro, to the master teachers, the non-teaching staff of Gregorio del Pilar. Thank you also to my two inaanak, Cindy and Jennifer, for again letting me, ask me again to give message, especially to the sending of Ma'am Beth Abaya. You know what? I will never forget all the memories that we shared when I was there. They are all treasured in my heart. They cannot be forgotten, nor they cannot be set aside. Thank you so much. You know what? I would like also to be there. How I wish I could be there. I could visit and attend the sending of event of Beth Abaya, because this is one of the many memorable and happiest moments of Ma'am Beth Abaya. I was so happy, you know what, Beth, when you sent your appointment paper, your appointment, I mean, in my messenger. I was so elated because you still remember me. Thank you so much. Despite that we have not seen for so many years, but still you remember me, and that will again be treasured in my heart. You deserve it, Ma'am Beth Abaya, for you are such a hardworking master teacher and a kind-hearted woman also. I still remember when I was there, you are one of my teachers who never said no to any work that is being given to you. Sasabihin ko nga, Beth, meron na naman tayong report, may gagawin na naman tayo. You know what? The only reply that you can hear from her, sasabihin niya, okay lang ma'am, sige po, gagawin natin yan. And then you know, after 2 or 3 days, pupunta na yan sa office. Ito na po ma'am, check nyo na lang po. Ganun kagaling si Ma'am Beth Abaya. Ganun siya kasinsir sa kanyang trabaho. Kaya no wonder, Beth Abaya, you will now earn the laurel of your hard work. And you're being so kind, not only to your principal, but to everyone and to your pupils. And also, I was, you know what, Beth, I was silently impressed with that kind of attitude. After that, everything will be okay. My only advice to you, Beth, is that before you enter, or when you are already inside your room, inside your office, utter a prayer. Pray for wisdom and for knowledge. You know what? Because being an administrator, it's a tough job, especially in making decisions. So you need to be wise and to be intelligent. And you can only get that and ask that from the Lord our God Almighty. And I am certain ensure that you will be a good administrator because of your attitude. And also, I would like also to advise you that you don't forget to share your expertise to everyone there. Show them the love that you have already. Be fair to them. Be fair in dealing with them, that they may see the goodness in you as their administrator. My only prayer to you, Beth, that you will become a good administrator, that God will grant you good health, sound mind, financial stability, and as well as sound mind, and also in your dealing with your parents, dealing with your teachers, dealing with your tutors, dealing in whoever will come to your school. Good luck with that, Beth. And I know that you will do it. So don't be discouraged. Be courageous, Beth, for God will always be with you. Just don't forget to ask for Him, for His help. And also, I would like to tell you that you need to walk an extra mile, that they will see in you the goodness of being, the goodness in you as an administrator. Thank you so much that you passed it, you made it. And I would like again to express my thankfulness to all of you. Thank you. Be happy always. Set aside all the problems because our lives depend on God. Good luck, Beth Abaya, and I sincerely congratulate you, and I will always pray for you. Good luck in your journey as a new and as an administrator, I mean. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.
Congratulations, Ma'am Beth. So proud and happy that finally your time has come. You have your own station now. You have your own school. Be the best of what you can. But remember that we, Ma'am Sally, and your previous principals are here for you to ask, to call for, and even to share your blessings. Imbitahin mo kami, ha? Napakagandang regalo ang iyong natanggap ng Teacher's Day. Palagay ko walang mapagsidlan ng kaligayahan ng iyong puso dahil dumating na rin sa wakas ang tawag ng serbisyo sa iyo. Alalahanin mo lang, tandaan mo lang, pakiramdaman mo muna ang iyong paligid, ang iyong mga guro, ang iyong mga magulang, at ang lahat ng tauhan sa paaralan. Pakiramdaman mong mabuti at kunin mo ang kanilang pulso. Pawis, ha? Napakasaya ako higit sa lahat. Siyempre, ikaw din, masaya ka din. Dahil ako, meron akong dalawa na kayo ni Ma'am Bulalayaw na naipush para maging katulad din naming principal. Sana huwag kang makakalimot sa taas at sa mga taong nandyan para sa'yo, lalo na ang mga Gregorians. Mahalin natin sila. Sila ang naging katulong natin upang marating natin kung ano man ang ating narating ngayon. Maligayang pagdating sa pamunuan ng MAPESPA. Kahit retired na po ako. Aktibo pa rin po akong nakikipag-ugnayan. Sana po marinig ko at maramdaman ko na ikaw ay isang mabuting punong guro. Good luck and God bless you, Ma'am Beth. I love you, Del Pilarians o Gregorians. I am always here. I love you. And sama-sama together, mabuhay.
Hello, good afternoon. First and foremost, Ma'am Beth, congratulations sa the long wait is over, ika nga, no? Walang pagsidlan ng kasiyahan ang puso ko na nang marinig ko na ikaw na ang bagong itatalagang school head ng Antonio Maceda Elementary School. You deserve it, and claim that you will become successful. Kasi nakita ko na from the very beginning, no, nang tayo magkakilala at nung ako'y ma-assign dyan sa Del Pilar as your OIC principal, nakita ko that you have lots of potentials. All you have to do is to make it a point that those potentials be translated into quality service. At naniniwala ako na kaya mo yan, no? From the very beginning, naniniwala ako sa iyo, no? And hopefully, no? Sabi ko, sana matranslate yon, yung paniniwala natin na yon, into quality service. Marami kang pinagdaanan, marami kang pagsubok na nadaanan, pero lahat ng yon nabura dahil maraming naniwala sa iyo. And most especially, naniwala ka sa sarili mong kakayahan. At ito na yon, no? Yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mong kakayahan, as I mentioned earlier, translate it into quality service. Always remember ARA, yung accountability, responsibility, and authority, no? Na iaatang sa iyo bilang school head, no? Bilang bagong school head ng Antonio Maceda Elementary School. With you around, I believe that you are going to provide all teachers of Antonio Maceda Elementary School every opportunity that comes their way, no? Sabi nga nila, you are journeying as a school head along with your teachers, but most especially you are journeying along with your learners, no? And we'll try to make it a point that as we journey with our teachers and learners, we will never leave any stone unturned. Kaya, ma'am, saludo ako sa iyo at sana po ipagpatuloy mo yung magandang nasimulan mo, no? Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Then eventually, from pagiging OIC, ma-appoint ka na as principal, Principal 2, Principal 3, Principal 4, o kahit saan ka man dalhin, no? Kasi malayo talaga marating mo. At sana yung paniniwala namin na yun sa'yo, i-translate mo into action. Ma'am, alam mo yan, from the very beginning, kung gaano ako naniniwala sa kakayahan mo. At alam ko naman, hindi mo kami bibiguin, no, doon sa mga gagawin bilang isang school head. At dahil po dyan, ma'am, sana pag nagkita tayo, hindi ako mahilig sa ice cream, no? Mahilig ako sa pizza. Kunwari lang. Kidding aside, congratulations, and hoping na maging inspiration ka rin, no, sa ibang mga co-teachers, no, dyan sa may Del Pilar Elementary School to dream higher but setting your foot on the ground. Wala namang masama po doon. Okay? So, ma'am, with that, again, congratulations, and ipagdarasal ko na patuloy ang success sa buhay mo. Marami mang pagsubok na dumating, but those are parts of the perks of being a school head. Pero, syempre, yung mga pagsubok na yon, hindi naman yun maibibigay sa'yo nang hindi mo kakayanin. And the Lord knows, no, kung ano ang capacity mo at hanggang ano rin yung kaya niyang maibigay sa'yo. At syempre, tayo bilang mga tagasunod, gagawin natin ang lahat para maipagbuti natin yung na naiatang na trabaho sa atin. No? At the end of the day, sabi ko nga, at the end of the day, it is always na ang mga learners ang center kung bakit tayo nandito as school leaders. Alright? So, ma'am, once again, congratulations and God bless you always. No? Walang iyakan. No? Walang happy lang. Happy. And I am happy and I am so proud. Sobrang proud ako sa achievement mo ngayon. At tuloy-tuloy lang, you just continue believing and continue dreaming. And once again, congratulations, ma'am. God bless.
Hi, Mami. Congratulations and happy 50th birthday. Magbabagi muna ako. Bye-bye, Mi.
Congratulations, anak ko, anak. Prinsipala kagaya, men. Gawid ka to. Ito may kamamitagpakan. Ito na birthday ni Raiden. Congratulations, latan. Tane, awam mete. Maitid ko kanyang anak ko. Happy graduation meet kini Princess. Tatak lang mit nga dadto, jak mit mabasbasa mong tanak pa yen. Ang gamit dala-dala cellphone ko, imbatik mate. Gawid kayong tugtoy, mate. Tamay kayo tagpasyar.
Hi, Mami! Congratulations! Alam ko ang tagal mong inintay to. Hindi ko man sinasabi pero masaya ako para sa'yo. And happy birthday din. Happy 50th birthday. Sa susunod, dadali na kita dito. On your 60th birthday.
Hey!
Mami, congratulations sa pagiging principal mo. And happy birthday. I love you.
Yeah.
Hey, Mami, congratulations sa pagiging principal mo. And happy birthday.
Hello. Masyado lang akong masaya. Proud na proud ako sa'yo, honey. Yan, sa asawa kong mabait, may nahon, matalino. May nanap pa ba kayo? Nakulang sasabihin ko. Siyempre, maganda at sexy sa paningin ko. Akin lang yun. At sa mga anak na rin natin, proud din sila. Dati pa naman, masigasig ka na. Dedikasyon at na mga kaalaman mo sa mga pagtuturo na pinasa puso mo. Ngayon, nakamit mo na yung tagumpay at bukas ang umpisa ng yung another achievements. I wish you many years of achievements. Great achievements. One more star na maim mo uli, honey. Ang SEC. Teka. Mula sa kaibuturan ng aking puso at kaluluwa. Binabati kita. Mahal kong asawa sa pagiging punong guro ng eskwelahan. Good luck and may God bless you always. Muamwat chup chup.